Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now cruising in our 1957 Chevy Bel Air Convertible. If you are looking for a fun little collectible item such as this is the one for you. Of course, back in the day, and even today, this is the true Mel's Diner kind of vehicle. One we have here featuring an aquamarine and white exterior, also featuring a white power top, Whitewall tires, the old way to go, but definitely the right way to do it. You also have in the center caps the actual painted aquamarine as well. Actually originally started off as a 2019 restoration. Doesn't even look like it, to be honest with you. It almost looks like this car has been original as always. Other than that, moving on to the interior now, featuring an automatic on the column. One of the coolest things about the old Bel Airs is the fact that reverse is on the bottom. You got that very nice aquamarine bench seat with the white, same for the back. One of the nicest things is you still have the old school radio. Best way to do is to have it rebuilt other than put a new retro sound in it. You got the big old wheel with the working horn. Definitely a nice thing. You also have this very cool mirror spotlight. Of course, back in the day, cops used to use those to spy in vehicles that were doing nasty, yet again, unknown things. Very true, by the way. You definitely know this too, because you were probably one of them. Other than that, it does have the old school vent windows. I do believe, yeah, it does. It has the crank for the vent windows, crank for the regular windows. And other than that, it has its old school vibe. Moving underneath the hood, featuring a 283 small block. Kind of motor that you really don't see in these kind of cars anymore. Not just because they were too slow, but because people want to always go faster with 350s, 400s, 406, maybe even a big block. But the 283 runs just as nice as it should. Right now, as you can see, we're having a very nice little ride. I can see my passengers not complaining. Of course, most of the time passengers do complain whenever they're in a nice ride like this. Other than that, it is definitely a fun cruiser. There are some few other facts that I might have missed other than the tinted windows. That's what it was, the side skirts. You got those nice old school side skirts on the back of the rear tires. Definitely a nice way to show your old classic off. Other than that, now we're going to get this fine view turned around and up on the hoist, so just stay tuned to see the underneath.